Vitamins, trans fats, GMOs, radiation. What does it all mean? You don't have time to figure all this out on your own. Don't you wish someone could just explain it to you, plain and simple? Oh, hello. Are you tired of not understanding the world around you? Would you like to learn science but can't because of your job or family, or because you just don't want to try very hard? Let me help. I'm Professor Dave, and I explain science stuff. If you want to understand medicine, nutrition, or just about anything else that's sciencey, you're going to have to learn about atoms and molecules. My tutorials are comprehensive enough for students that want to ace their courses, but simple enough for the average Jack or Jill that want to understand how a battery works, what's happening when water boils, or when it's appropriate to use the word quantum. It's easy and fun to watch, and you can test your understanding at the end of each clip. So let's all learn some science and take down those corporate fat cats. Together, the Professor Dave way.
He knows a lot about the science stuff. Professor Dave explains.